Imagine having thousands of creators making viral video content about your brand, and you only pay them after they get results. That means you have zero upfront risk, and you only pay for actual performance. That's exactly what you can do now with the Whop Content Rewards system. It's the same strategy that many of the top creators have used to blow up their accounts and build massive brands. Basically, they either spend a ton of money on running paid ads to promote their accounts, or they hire content agencies to clip the content and flood social media with it, all with the goal of going viral. In the past, this would cost a fortune. You would need to hire a full team of editors and content managers, and managing all of it was a headache. But now, thanks to Whop, that has completely changed. For the first time, you can do the same thing without having to hire an expensive team or spending a dime on ads. Let me explain how this works. Brands can set up a Whop Content Rewards campaign. It's free to set up, and it only takes a few minutes to get it up and running. They can set the budgets, and they simply provide the content that the creators can use. The creators then would take the content and turn them into short-form video clips and post them on their social media accounts. If they get views, they will get paid. And here's the benefits of this model. For the brands, they can basically remove all the upfront risk, and they only pay for good performance. Let's say if the videos don't perform, they don't have to pay. And as for the creators, they have the opportunity to make money by just clipping and posting content that they don't even have to create in the first place. It's a win-win scenario, and that's why this is such a genius system. Next, I will walk you through exactly how to set up a content rewards campaign on Whop. So let's go to the first link I listed below in the description, and it will directly take you to this page. It is 100% free to sign up, so you have no risk. And once you're on this page, just enter your email, enter the verification code, enter your name, click next. And here you can pick your username, but don't worry, you can always change this later. So I'll just go with the default, click next. You can upload your photo, or you can just choose one of these avatars. I'll just choose this one and then click next. So here's where you can create your own Whop. So for me, let me just go with Derek Kumo Clips. So after you have your name, just click on continue. How does your Whop help people? Clip Derek's content and get paid $2,000 per 1 million views. Just an example, and click on continue. And then we could choose a Whop link. Let me go with that and click on continue. All right, so we have created a Whop. So what you can do is to follow the steps here. You can create your first post, design your store, and just get more familiar with the interface. So let's click on create your first post or app. And here's what your Whop looks like. So here you can click on edit store, and then you can upload a media. So that would be like your Whop's cover photo. And on the left hand side, this is where you can install and integrate many apps inside of your Whop. So let's click on the chat. So here you can add a chat so that you could interact with your followers or creators that work with you. So let's click on add app and name this daily updates. Click on create, and there you have a daily updates chat. And as you can see, these are all the different tabs that you could use to customize your Whop. So let me show you how other people's Whops and content reward system looks like so that you can have a better idea before you set up yours. So let's come to the left hand sidebar and click on discover. And then you'll see content rewards in the middle. So let's click on show all. And then you'll see all these different businesses or brands that have their own content rewards. So let's scroll down and let's go to this one, Caleb Gordon clipping. So as you can see here, clip Caleb Gordon and get paid. So we can join the Whop just so I can show you how typically looks like. So here we are in Caleb Gordon's clipping Whop. He also has a chat function, so people can chat in here. He has a learn section. This is the guidelines. So we can click on it, and then we see the guidelines that he had created. So we can click on this, and then we can see the exact guidelines. So that's how things are typically organized. And when we go to the earn tab, that is the content rewards section. So we can click on content rewards. And there's an active campaign here, so I can click on this one. So this is his content rewards campaign. So as you can see here, you can see the rate of the rewards. So every 1,000 views, he's offering $1.50 for the creators. The content type is clipping. There's a minimum payout and maximum payout. So you can set your budget for every campaign. And these are the platforms that the creators can work with. And then you see the requirements here. So as for the creators, it's really important to follow all requirements in order to get paid on the campaign. So now let's set up our Whop. So let's go back to the dashboard, click on your Whops, go back to our Whop here. So let's go to the Earn tab, and then we can set up our Whop by clicking on Add App. So for bounty, that is another way that you can pay content creators for completing certain tasks. So you basically post a specific task, and when they complete it, you pay them a certain amount. So let me show you. So here's where you can set the bounty title. So let's say we want to say record a video testimonial. And then you will want to set the specific requirements that you may have, and then you can set the specific amount. So let's say we want to go with $10 per submission. So that would be your bounty. So that's basically how bounty works. So let's go back, go to Add App, and let's go to Content Rewards. So here is where we can set up our Content Rewards campaign. So we can give it a title. So let's go with clip for Derek and get paid $2,000 per 1 million views. We'll give it any title you want. And here is where we can upload a tutorial if you want to let people know exactly how to clip your content. And they recommend using videos with a 16:9 aspect ratio. So that's basically just a landscape dimensions. So for content type, you can choose either clipping or UGC. So for clipping, that is when you provide your original content, and then the creators can use your content to create short form video clips to post on their accounts. So for UGC, that is typically referring to the creators having to come up with the original content. And for this campaign, we are going to go with clipping. So for category, you will choose your content category type. So I would just pick creator. This is where you can set your total budget for the entire campaign. So let me go with, let's say $5,000. You will be prompted to top up $5,000 in the next step. So whatever budget that you have in mind, that's what you will put. And for the end date, you can select it if you have one. We'll just leave it for now. So next we are going to set the reward rate. So this is the rate that you will pay the creators per 1,000 views. So it's really up to you. So for this campaign, I'll just go with $2 per 1,000 views. So you can set a minimum payout if you want to do that. That's also up to you. So let me just set with $1. So as you can see here, $1 that equals to minimum 500 views. And max payout, I could just set with, let's say, $2,000. So that would be like 1 million views. I will leave the flat fee bonus. And here's where you can choose a platform. So depending on which platforms that you want the creators to promote on. So I'll just go with Instagram and TikTok for now. For asset links, so this is where you can include a link to, let's say, a Google Drive or Dropbox that has all your content on it, so the creators can access the content. And next is the requirements. So you can enter any requirements that you want the campaigns to have. So let's say must tag, let's say that's my handle on all platforms. And then you can add another requirements, must be in English, for example. And then you can also see the requirements here. So everything is really straightforward. So when you're done, so let's say you're done with this campaign, we can click on continue. And that will prompt you to deposit the funds and to set up the payment method. And once you deposit the funds, then your campaigns will be able to go live. So that is how you can set up your Whop Content Reward system. Hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below, and I hope to see you in the next video.